Does GoDaddy increase prices? Yes, GoDaddy can increase its prices depending on several factors, including domain renewals, web hosting plans, email services, and add-ons. Here's what you need to know. 1. Domain name pricing. Initial purchase. GoDaddy often offers promotional pricing for the first year. Renewal rates. After the first year, domains renew at regular rates, which are usually higher than the initial offer. Premium domains. If you purchase a premium domain, its price may fluctuate based on market demand. Second, web hosting plans. Introductory offers. Web hosting plans often include introductory discounts. Renewal costs. After the introductory period, renewal prices are typically higher and charged annually. Upgrades and add-ons. Adding extra services like SSL certificates, site security, or backups can increase your total cost. Third, email services. Microsoft 365. First-year discounts. GoDaddy frequently offers email hosting at a discounted rate for the first year. Renewals. Expect higher renewal rates after the first year. Fourth, Auto-Renewal Policy. Automatic renewals. Most services, including domains and hosting, auto-renew unless manually canceled. Payment notices. GoDaddy sends renewal notices in advance, allowing time to cancel or adjust services. 5. Pricing transparency. Pricing. Disclosure. All terms and pricing details are displayed at checkout. Hidden fees. Be aware of additional costs such as privacy protection, security upgrades, and professional email services.